The world of open-source AI has exploded, giving us the freedom to build, experiment, and scale cutting-edge AI applications, interfaces, and infrastructure without hitting paywalls or getting locked into proprietary vendors. Gone are the days of being bound by proprietary software limitations. Now, it's all about control, transparency, and innovation. So, what does a modern open-source AI stack really look like in practice? Let's start with the front end, the gateway to our AI applications. For dynamic, scalable apps, frameworks like Next.js and SvelteKit shine, especially with their powerful streaming capabilities. They allow us to render AI-generated content in real time, like watching magic unfold as the model thinks. Need to prototype AI interfaces quickly? Tools like Streamlit and Gradio are your go-to companions. Built entirely in Python, they let data scientists and developers showcase models without heavy lifting. But as our applications grow more complex, we need more scalable, production-ready solutions. Here's where it gets powerful: the data layer. This is where your AI models connect to your data, documents, product catalogs, customer support records, and more. Enter Retrieval-Augmented Generation, RAG. Instead of retraining models, we inject relevant context dynamically during inference. We turn documents into embeddings, store them in a vector database, and retrieve the most relevant chunks when users ask a question, enabling real-time, accurate responses without fine-tuning. Want to visualize those embeddings? Nordic Atlas offers an intuitive way to explore and debug vector spaces. For document handling and pipeline construction, Llama Index helps embed everything from PDFs to spreadsheets. Behind the scenes, Apache Taika handles content extraction across formats with precision. And if you're working with multiple data types, text, images, audio, Gina AI enables unified search across all formats in a shared vector space. Yes, it's as impressive as it sounds. Let's talk APIs. Fast API provides a robust foundation with built-in WebSocket support, perfect for building responsive AI-powered apps with real-time streaming. To orchestrate more complex workflows, LangChain helps structure AI operations into reusable chains. Metaflow simplifies ML pipeline creation with easy versioning and scalable deployment, from your laptop to the cloud. Now, let's not overlook inference, a critical piece of the puzzle. In the Java ecosystem, Deep Java Library, DJL, supports inference across many model formats including PyTorch and TensorFlow. Need something lighter? TensorFlow Java Bundle delivers optimized inference performance right out of the box. For local development, Allama, Open Large Language Model Management Architecture, is a game changer, bringing the power of large language models to your local machine with a single CLI command. And not to forget, the Hugging Face ecosystem unlocks thousands of community-trained models that you can plug directly into your workflow. When storing embeddings, scalability matters. Using PostgreSQL. Add vector search natively with pgvector. Need enterprise-grade tools. Milvus and Weaviate offer powerful, scalable vector search capabilities. Weaviate even combines keyword and vector search for hybrid performance. The large language model, LLM, scene is evolving fast. Models like Mistral, DeepSeek, and even lightweight ones like Llama.cpp are redefining what's possible, running efficiently on consumer-grade hardware with quantization. That's the real beauty of open source, it puts the power back in your hands. But remember, it's not all plug and play. Success comes with thoughtful integration, ongoing maintenance, and deep expertise. This is just a glimpse of what's possible. The open-source AI stack is vast, growing, and full of potential. Start small, scale smart, and stay agile, because this ecosystem is only getting better. Open-source AI isn't the future. It's the here and now.